Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO Day Trading, gonna have an amazing show for you today. It's been pretty damn exciting. I'm gonna show you also what CFDs are. Maybe you don't know what they are. Who the hell's a CFD? How the hell do you work a CFD? Why in the world would you want a CFD? That's the who, the what, where in the world you're going to get a CFD, the where, the why, the who. Got them all covered for you today on the Mojo Show, guys. That's where I am, Dante Rico. Yo, 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 baby. What be happening? Let's head over to the Mojo room. Let me show you what's going on. This guy right here, I'm going to smack. Dude, he's down on AIKI, 1,000 shares in demo 52, $1.74, $1,740. Dude, his butthole, dude, hurts from wiping it so much. He's got so much shit on there. Crazy all day with the wiping, man. You gotta know when to cut that shit. Otherwise, you'd be wiping all shit all day. Ooh! Let me show you how I cut that crap. I cut that crap. I'm live. I'll show you what a CFD is in the Mojo room. You guys want some demos? Oh, yeah. I got to spend. First of all, the demos today. How many of you took advantage? All right, demo 52, you lost 1,600. I'm locking you back down to 500 a day, because if you lose 500 a day off 30,000 in a trade, it doesn't help you anyway. You're not going to ever make it. So doing a demo every day and playing from the kids tees ain't going to happen. You're beyond even the red tees, okay? So demo 52, you're changed, you're not getting unlocked, and you're done. Demo 47, you lost 1,500 because I raised you from 500 to 1,000. Now and I forgot to move it back. So you're at 500 locked for the day. You can't trade anymore either. And tomorrow, come back and make sure you don't lose more than $500. Demo number 72, you lost $1,400 because I raised you from 500 to 1,000, and now you lost $1,400. I don't know how you did that so far above it, but I just changed you to $500 as well. Don't lose more than $500 in a day. Demo 45, you lost $894. I'm changing you to $500, and I'm locking you for the day. 500. So these are all my students that I'm coaching, but their parameters I changed. They're all too high. They have to lose only 500 maximum a day. If you lose 500 a day, you're done. 500. I'm changing. A lot of you guys lost today. You're at 500. You're locked. 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 This guy 240. 4 of you made money and everyone else lost. So who wants a demo? 58. You're locked at 605. See how you lost money today. We want to come over here and see only your filled positions. And I'll give you a quick trader review. Now let me hook you up. All right, let's head you back right over to my main screen, and I'll show you what we did here with you. The first trade off the market, you were buying MEEP at 328, adding at 30, selling at 38 with Mojo, 37. Great job. and then we bought it back at 21. You sold 24, you bought it at 25, sold at 20. These are two quick sell. You're not making anything. It's cost 2 cents for the trade just to cover the commissions. So by you selling it for 2 or 3 cents, you don't make anything. You don't make anything. You ain't making anything. Done with MEEP, buying and selling MEEP. Buying and selling MEEP. Oh, that's what you did. So, and then you went to this ARTL. ARTL, you bought, it's small. These are too small stocks to be trading with firm capital. If you're trading on Ameritrade with 3,000 shares, no commish, it's good, but you can't trade these stocks like this. $1.90, buy $1.90, sold, you can't, you're done. So $3 and $5 and over, your stocks are beyond Tesla and all these other bigger stocks that I'm checking out in the MOJO Day Trading room for you. I didn't trade ARTL. I did trade MEEP though. MEEP was okay because it had the volume. Just didn't trade it good. Next. 54. Demo 54 made the most money today. Demo 54. So Demo 54 just started my course, new pro trader, and let's see, it's a woman. Her name is Joyce, very lovely. And we're going to see Joyce's trades right here and see if Joyce heeded my advice like you didn't, like the first guy. So let's go into the settings and change the grid so I could see a larger font and give you a nice review. So let's see if you followed me. Yay, you followed me. Sown. Thank you. That's why Joyce made money. Because Joyce followed me with the Sony and the Meepy. And then she maybe did some other things after when I was done. Let's see. So 990. Sold through Heinz 1117. See? Look, buy 500 at 990. She made She made $600 on this trade. See that, guys? Because she's following the Mojo system. Never had done that ever before in her life. If I can help anyone by following me trade. Look, buy 335, selling 337, just like what we did. Then we bought it back at 21.34. All right, with MEEP, MFA, $1.09 never really worked on MFA. NK, I folded. You lost there. You didn't listen to me on NK. So you're giving back, and you're giving back. Off the reservation twice, you gave back some of your chips from following me. And then we went into MEEP again and lost. Nothing big, 300 shares. Then you bought Sown again with me, back on Sown. Buying at $14.49 for mini Heinz, selling it at 53. Great trade. If you would have been greedy, you bought it back, look, at 96. That's the way to do it with me. And you sold it through Heinz 14 at 22. Perfect. Then we bought it back at stopping station 78, and you Heinzed it and sold it 14.09. You couldn't be doing it any more better. Then you actually bought it back at 93 and sold it at 15.20 through the Heinz. Then you bought it back at 90 and sold at 95, and great job at 79. Great trading. You're following me on every beat. And then you traded a little bit of Beyond, BYND, through 78.91 right here, 78 for Heinz 79. You want to do the Heinz 79 on BYND. Where is it? It's 79.22. Great job on BYND. Great trading by Pro Trader Joyce in the room. Nice job. Demo 51. You today lost $453. You're locked. I'll just take a quick look and see if I want to give you a review. You got locked out on MEEP. You got to get off the small ones, dude. I traded Sown was the big mover, not MEEP. So you don't get a review today. Journal, got to trade the bigger stocks with Mike. Demo 72. You lost huge today. You got closed on MEEP, but you traded a little Sown. So good job, guys. Follow the people that are following, and Joyce is learning, but she's following the MOJ. Everyone else is off the reservation. I can only do 2 or 3 a day. You'll have to wait till tomorrow to get your trade review. You're first on the list. Remind me JK. You remind me Slate and Suarez for tomorrow for some trade reviews. So let me show you. This system right here, when we're trading Teva, doesn't matter what the stock is. SPCE, NVAX, MFA, Groupon, they're all CFDs. They're all CFDs. Let me show you what a CFD is and why you use them and what it's all about. CFD. I'm doing my show, bud. It's called a contract for difference. It offers European traders and investors an opportunity to profit from price movement without owning the underlying asset. It's relatively a simple security calculated by the asset's movement between the trade, entry, and exit, computing only the price without consideration of its value. Trading CFDs offers major advantages that have increased instruments' popularity in the last decade. A contract for difference is an agreement between an investor and a broker to exchange the difference in value for a financial product between the contract open and close. A CFD investor never actually owns the underlying asset, but instead receives revenue based on the price change. Some advantages of CFDs include access to the underlying asset at a lower cost than buying it outright, ease of execution, and the ability to go long and short. A disadvantage is the immediate decrease in the investor's initial position, which is reduced by the size of the spread upon entering the CFD. Other CFD risks include weak industry regulations, potential lack of liquidity, and a need to maintain adequate margin. So let me give you an example of a CFD. On like the stock Beyond, BYND, that everybody trades, or even Tesla. Tesla traded 22 million shares. Now I'm trading on this platform called the TradeX platform. The TradeX platform is through a broker called Pioneer Trading Group. Pioneer Trading Group is the broker. So the broker is who I'm trading through. I am not on this platform. It's liquid as you were trading on E-Trade, liquid as you were trading on Ameritrade, but I'm not trading into the market. I'm trading with other traders. It's like Bitcoin on a decentralized exchange. It's available. There's so many shares available to buy and sell. All you're doing is buying and selling the price, and the execution is fast as lightning. It's like trying to ride the Tour de France on a beach bike. That's how everyone else is doing it. But Mojo? No. I am fast as lightning on this platform because it's direct access to the market. Boom. I want to buy any of these stocks. RAD, Netflix, you name the stock. Boeing. This could trade any stock. Thousands and thousands of what's called CFDs. They're not stocks. It's not traded through an actual exchange. It's traded through the broker and their inventory. Just like a broker with E-Trade. Your shares aren't getting into the market. You're trading the inventory of E-Trade, and they're taking your shares and selling them to a high-frequency trader, creating lag on your order so they and the frequency trader could make millions off your money. So if you're in control, you could trade on a platform like this called the TradeX platform, and I coach you. You get on a demo like this guy is. He's up in nickel and sewn right now. Trade demo number 54. Only one in a position right now. Everyone else is pretty much locked out, and I'm not turning you back on. You're done for the day, and your thing has been decreased. You're lower now. You're not going to lose $1,000 in a day. Cool. So that's what a CFD is. And you could trade with me. What's better than that? You know, the average guy that trades with me in my MOJO Day Trade room has been here for 3 to 4 years. The guys that are underneath are tenure, ready to go. Ben's going to be here for a long time. Ace, and I got 76 guys. I'm growing, guys. Listen to me on YouTube. I'm live. You want to see my screen? Watch. I go live. I go live like this. Watch. In the MOJO room. So watch, guys. I go here. I go live. And then I share my screen. Screen 2. See that? And then go live. And now here I am live. You double click on this and it look how beautiful that is. Crystal clear HD format. You can come here and you can pop that baby out like that and go full screen. And that's right there, popped out. Now you know my screen share is working because you see me on screen too. And then you come back here to the day trade channel. I'm good to go right now. And that's how I do it, baby. See how I got it going on, Joyce? New to the team. Joyce, how long are you going to be here? Forever, right? Taught you an easy way to pick fish out of a barrel. Forever. She just joined. Knows what the Heinz is immediately within a couple of days. Executes. You know who told me about WORX and SON? The new traders. Joyce. They say wow really early. Takes me a little while to say wow, but the new traders, they love the mojo action, man. Woo! Let me show you what we did on the mojo action and what we did in the mojo room today. You're gonna love it. Nice trade on SON through Heinz 9, 895 cost. Right there on the SON, 965. I have it also in my own account, 3,000 shares at 9. I'm up. She's up 174. I'm up 1,700. I got 3,000. I closed it down. I said, I'm going to hold this baby and do some reviews. Nice mojos, right? Look, this person just bought it at 60. That's not Heinz. That's FOMO. I'll close that position. See how I closed it? Shouldn't be, and it's not a Heinz move. Their fear of missing out. But it's not fear of missing out. It's FOLA, not FOMO. Guys, it's not FOMO. It's FOLA. It's not FOMO. Not FOMO. It's FOLA. It's FOLA. If you have ever heard of that before. Not FOMO, FOLA. I'll show you what it is in the mojo room. So yeah, Joyce is going to be here forever. So check this baby out. I got the boot camp, guys. Here's my link for the sign up right here. Let's click this baby and let's head over to the boot camp and check it out. Okay? Let's check this baby out. What's this guy?
This is your chance to take a free opportunity to stop missing those. Doing it with some solid online. You and me will be working literally.
And me.
How to crush gaps.
Yeah. Yeah. You're going to win every day. Absolutely. You'll lose on trades, but you'll win every day with the Moj. Only way you can screw it up is you. Me. Everyone's using that lately. Lose the zero and get with the hero, baby.
His goal with his boot camp is to give free access to trading options, trading strategies that will transform the way you attack the market. And to make sure their servers don't crash, Benzinga is going to be doing some limited seeding.
Ooh.
So make sure you go ahead and register.
Dude, hurry.
Don't say, I'll do it next week. You want to have the time. We've seen that
Register now. I got my link.
Button, register link.
Let me give you my link, dude. It's in the description below. I just got it.
Options boot camp. It's going to be absolutely crazy. It's stupendous and amazing. So don't worry. Register for your free seat. I will see you there.
Dude, I just put it in the description below, dudes. Refresh your page, man. And I'll put it out there in the dash. In the dash. Sign up now. You'll love it. Sign up. You'll love it. Put it down in the description, and I'll put it right there. Excited to be speaking at the boot camp. You'll learn the Mojo way. Dudes, golf is open. Can you believe it, dude? Golf is open? My gosh. Yeah, golf is open. So that's the Benzinga boot camp, guys. We traded some nice stuff today. People are saying, dude, where do I follow you in the Mojo room? I'm like, dude, I try to limit it. I should erase the swing channel because people are getting confused. I really don't even like it anymore. Would you guys mind if I deleted the channel on the swing? Would you mind if I did that? Alan? And still mind if I delete that channel? I hate it. It's just confusing. You can't even write in it anyway. I got the archive of everything. What do you think? No? Should keep it? Does everyone get confused? All right, we'll keep it. Mar says no, dude. It's no. So guys, if you're confused, it all happens in the day trading channel. It says day trading up top, and there you go. Okay? And I got the live screen share. So when you see this button says live next to my name, like it is right now, look. See my name? Look. See my name? It says live right next to it. See? So I'm sharing my screen live. YouTube, you're delayed, bro. But not in my room. My room, real time to that screen. So we made a lot of money. I came back in. Look at this last trade I just did. So let me show you. I came back after lunch. First trade after lunch, okay? I bought 5,000 AIKI. Thank God, because it's freaking halted. Now it's got destroyed. Holy mama. That's why you got to be quick and nimble, dude. You don't stay in nothing. As soon as you say, oh, I think it's going to go higher, the odds are it's going lower, but the odds are it's going to nip you is like 70%. It's not just a normal sell. It's a hurt. So I bought at 187, and I'm only going one direction. It goes 186. I'm out at 185. I lose $100. 2 cents. You follow that lane? Because these guys wanted to know what I risk on a trade. So I'm out at 2, and I'll reprice it right there under 80 at like stopping station 77. Follow me? Instead of riding it down. So my risk is 2. It goes higher, I fill 1 penny higher. 5,000. Then it starts to go. $1.94. Sold 5. $1.92. Going a little lower. Selling 2. 93. And I'm out at 95. Great trade. It didn't go. What am I going to wait? Thing actually went halted. So then I bought it right there. and I sold it through. So let me just show you the next one. So I bought 500 at 11.06. My risk is a nickel. I'll dump that thing at 11.01 and I'll rebuy it at 10.77. You follow me, Lane? You follow me, everyone in the room? You follow me out there? So that's my risk. First thing I look at is the risk. How much am I risking on that trade? The reward is unlimited. I don't look at that. Let me give you an example. When you score a lot of points a game, I played basketball a lot, dude. You know, I was the point guard and the forward, dude. They wouldn't say how many points you're going to score, dude. I would just go out and shrazzle dazzle. Don't take me out, please, because I can't. Dude, I'm back in. At the end of the game, who knows? What did I score? 42, 37. I don't look at the score when I go out and play golf. I got a handicap. I play my system. I play my plan. I do what I know I can do, and I'm going to shoot a certain score. I know my average trade profit's like 12, 15 cents on a big block, and a little less shares. I don't need as much. I can go a little bit. I can let it go a little bit more. But I know immediately the first thing I think about is the risk, the fear of losing my account. It's not the fear of missing out, FOMO. It's FOLA, F-O-L-A. The fear of losing my account on the trade. So I don't chase nothing up. No FOMO for me. It's the opposite. If you get FOMO, oh my God, like that guy bought Sohn at the end there when the other guy was up, that's FOMO. FOLA sets in for me. So I'm going to only buy higher. It goes 10 into the next increment from 6 to I got buying more. Then it's going to go 20. I buy another. And then 10 minutes later, it's 67, up 50 cents, selling 55, 61, and 64. That's a money-making trade right there. Anyone can do that with me. And this right here, 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares, that's a $20,000 trade. Everyone could have used the firm's capital. $2,000, you get 20 grand. Everyone could have made that trade with me right there. That trade's $500, $600. See that? $1,500 made 51 cents. Told you, $600 trade, man. And I had 3,000 shares, so I made 1,500 on that one. And here's the original buy right here. See, it's fear of losing the account. FOLA. 11 bucks. See it? It's going to go higher. So there's no risk. Look at the risk. Look at the little circle of risk right here. See it? And look at the circle of reward. That's all you have to see. Look how high it can go up. I have no idea what it can do. Hopefully it could surprise me. But I know my risk is tiny. And if it goes lower, I'm going to sell it for a loss and reprice it lower. The old me, guys, the old Mojo, and you out there are stuck up here. And as it's coming down, you're too much in fear to sell it and too much hope that it'll come back. That's my, I'll eat you alive. The market makers see your share. I don't even see your shares, but I don't have to because I could visualize from the volume of 18 million and what's been happening. And the old me. I used to sit there frozen. Oh my God, I'm down 1,000. Right here. I bought it again. Right here, I'm down 1,000. Right here, I'm down 2,000. Right here, I'm down $3,000. I'm down oh my God, no way. I'm down 5 grand. I'm toast. The old me. The first 29 times I blew up my account, I did that. I said, you know what? On number 30, I'm going to do it different. Instead of buying the ass, buying the bid when there's a lot of size there, I'm going to do it the other way. When there was a large ask, I would never buy. Well, let's try it. I'm going to close my eyes and buy. And oh my God, it worked. No way. Let's try that again. And my setup in the level 2, I was watching, it always was a trick. I did the opposite. There was, again, it already ran up and there was a big, huge number. I said, no way. I'm going to do it again. I closed my eyes. I bought and I looked and I came and I back and I won again. I said, you know what? This works. And I've developed that, but it cost me millions of dollars to learn it because it was the old me up here. I was very frustrated. I would never change. I'd go out and shoot bogeys every day because I had this nasty duck hook and I couldn't hit this driver. So I changed my grip to work with any club and any trade, my system, like Ben Hogan. So guys, everyone got burned here and you're freaking at the point of no return. What happens here is it ticks up a little bit and you're like, oh my God, I may have a little bit of cushion. And it went from a loss of 5 to a loss of 4. And then all of a sudden, right here, the firm auto closed you. Right there. That's called an AC, an auto close. When you trade with these firms that give you capital, you're only allowed, like I show you in the demos, a certain loss per day. They know that. The firm wants your shares. They're going to trade against you because they want to make money. So the firm is trading against you. Just like E-Trade, Ameritrade, every single firm, their market and their desk, if you have 100 shares, they ain't. But if you got some size, all of a sudden, things start to happen. They're going to trade against you. The moderator in your room, if you've got a chat room you're in that's not mine, the odds are that there's a group of people trading against you in the room. And with all the trickery in the level 2, it's so difficult to win if you don't have the right coach, mentor, and system in place to offset the fugazi. When I put these glasses on and you show me the money, I could see it's counterfeit. If I don't have the glasses, I can't see. So I make sure I have my glasses on whenever I'm trading so I could see what the hell's going on. So you're going to get auto close down here. And I know it. Why? Because it used to be me. How the hell are you going to learn from somebody who always just freaking is up here? You see me because I learned how to do that, dude. So the majority of my shizzle right now is winning. That's why I have a room of all these people that pay me $149 a month. So I could coach, mentor, and throw out the best picks and save them from not doing the crap. So right here, the old me lost all his money and I have red for the day and I'm auto closed. But the new me came in and bought here and it ripped up and I sold it for a sick profit. Then it came down again and I bought it exactly the same and it ripped up again. And then it went to the right and it ripped up again. That's how it works, folks. You better ask somebody, fear of losing your account. Fear of losing your account. Let me show you today the sick money that we made on a stock called Sown. I have no idea what they do. Got no clue. This was yesterday. We did Works. Showed you that. This was yesterday's stock. Very similar. It started up here through 5 and 6. And it went to 12. A 100% move. What do you see in here? You just see this. You know what I see? I see this bar. The first big one. And I notice it went smaller and then bigger into like a huge green, looks like a green bean, like ho, 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 green giant. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Okay. And then at around 11:15, it moved higher. Holy crap. Really? Okay. 11:15. Then, oh, it came down. Okay. And then, oh my gosh, at around 1 o'clock to 1:15, it moved again. Oh my gosh. It moved once here, it moved again here, and then it moved again here. And this is a stock on huge volume that's 10 times its normal. That's how I developed my systems. Because I noticed things like that happen over and over and over and over again. I'm no analyst to say, hey, look, it's going to come here and start here. No, I just know that this happened in the beginning. And when that happens in the beginning, you usually get that and that. So I made a trade play for it, and I call it the Green Giant. And I teach it in MOJO University in my course, that all the traders in my room know what the hell that means. And that was Works yesterday. WORX. And there's the boot camp thing. Let me get rid of that. I got that one. So I just opened a file in the room. Let me just show you a quick one. Here's the Green Giant trade play. 5-minute bar sticks up like a green bean. First 15 minutes off the open causes me to call out the Green Giant trade play. It's been back tested hundreds and hundreds of times. I had a screen open just when I did that search on the green. Let me show you just a quick, here's one right here. Look right here, check it out. Move down, there you go, look. Ho, 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 Green Giant. You could see the stock's trading volume. All of a sudden it goes boom like that. See that? Ho, 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 Green Giant. Then it does a little settle down and it's off to the freaking races, bro. Telling you, man. It's how it's done. Ho, ho, ho. Mm-hmm. 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 Can you people be at least a little, let me know you're out there at least? Is there anybody out there? Oh my goodness gracious, what's going on, dude?
Party's extension, you may dial it at any time. Press 1 for the golf shop, press 2
What's up, Miguel? Snaps at 14. Hi, Danny. My name's Mike. I'd be interested in the next couple of days from now until whenever you can fit me in. I'm a single golfer and I'm jonesing to play golf. Could you get me out in the next couple of days? Anything on the tee sheet you could fit me in for a single?
Let me take a look. Looking at tomorrow. Single fair, right?
Yep. Later the better.
Okay. Nothing for tomorrow.
Okay.
Going over to Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Let's see here. Alright, for Thursday, I don't have anything either. Going to Friday.
Okay. I can also be the first or the last tee time of the day if possible. I am a really good golfer. Won't waste anybody's time. I'll give everyone a pleasure.
Alright, let's see here. Yeah, nothing for Friday either. It's completely full. And I'm checking Saturday now. Might be a time. No, let's see.
I could also come out to the range. I could also come out to the range for an hour or two and practice and go on the putting green for an hour or two and wait for maybe you'll have a threesome come around or something like that. I could join. Someone doesn't show up or something.
Right, yeah, that might be a possibility. If there might be some cancellations, and you can always get on the waiting list. Yeah, because I don't see anything at all for this week.
Wow. Okay. And what about What about next week? Could you put me on for an open spot so I can just get in?
Are you a member?
No.
All right. I can only reserve you 7 days out.
Okay. So could you put me in for 7 days from now? Then you have an open spot. Just give me a time and I'll be in that spot so I could play next week.
Sure. Let's see here. I'm looking at Monday now.
Okay.
Monday's tea times are completely booked. Even Monday is booked. Going over to Tuesday. Yeah, it's completely full. There's nothing. It is all full.
Gotcha. All right, I'm gonna have to pay someone somewhere. No problem. I know what I need to do. I'll call somebody else. I'll throw some money around. I'll get in. Peace. All right, guys. I'm gonna have to call someone else and throw some dollars around because that ain't working. Could you believe how booked they are? The one county, the one place in freaking Florida you can play, and you can't even do it. Amazing. Dude, you're down $400 now? You were down freaking 18. I'll close your position. Come on, dude. What are you, crazy? You got some nerve, dude. You were down like nothing. Then all of a sudden, dude, I look over. You're down, dude. You better cut that shit and reprice it, man. Damn, dude. I don't let that happen ever, dude. Ever. No, they don't do that, Ray. They don't make offers, those guys. Got to call someone else, dude. Got to call at the pro level. You know Martin Hall? He's a teacher on the Golf Channel. Dude, I'm on the Golf Channel, dude. I'm on the Golf Channel Amateur Tour, dude. I know the directors and everybody, dude. So I'll be like making some calls and some emails later. Because you know why? Because this needs to be broken out right here. I've been swinging every day, dude, just imagining the ball fly. My mind's eye's getting smaller and smaller. I can't visualize it anymore. So I got to go out there and play again. And my last round, I shot a nice, beautiful 35 at Florida Club. On 4-1 was my last round. 13 days ago, dude. I haven't played. Yeah, you're going to sneak on that course later? That's nice. So, dude, I got some good trades going today with the Sown and the Works, bro. With the Sown and the Works. Who knows what's going to be tomorrow? It's going to be freaking exciting, though. Let's see what the swing picks have done, if we made any money on the swing picks. Okay. All right. Guys, the boot camp, Saturday, 10 a.m. It starts, 10 a.m. Look. Benzinga. If you go to Benzinga, their homepage right here. Look, learn to dominate the markets. Right here. So you got John Najarian, Jerry Newsom. That's that guy again. But look where the mojo is, dude. I'm right in front of Ross Power. So at 11 o'clock, you got this guy. He's going to tell you, bull or bear. We don't care. That rhymes. Keith. He's cute. Maximize your profit in any market. You know how you maximize your profit, Keith? You got to pick a winner first and get profitable. Then maximize it. Makes sense. Technical analysis by J.C. Parrots and Sean McLaughlin. Technical analysis plus volatility analysis equals profits. I can understand how technical analysis and volatility analysis made me drop my chips. Could make me drop the chips. I could see that. What about the easiest day trading strategy and plan ever? Well, it should be, Jeremy. I don't want to correct you, but I must. It's the easiest day trading plan and strategy ever. Because the plan is the main driver that shows no deviation. A strategy you can change. If this strategy is not working, you can go over to strategy B to accomplish the plan. But the plan is the system that should be based on a positive expectancy win that you should have strategy for. And that would be the best and the easiest. Just FYI. Watch mine. I'll show you what it's all about, bro. I used to play poker based on positive expectancy. It's my plan and my strategy. The plan is playing 13 hands. Which ones? I won't tell you, but you could probably guess. Pocket aces, pocket kings, pocket queens, pocket jacks, pocket tens, ace king, ace queen, ace jack, ace 10. That's 10 hands right there you could play. Holy mama. Imagine if you got pocket eights. Yeah, you could probably play that. My low O pair when everyone's doing is the 3-5 suited. That's my plan. If those come out, watch out. I'm going to be aggressive. But you don't know which ones they are because the strategy I employ is different. See? Always learning how to use an edge, how to use options to give you an edge in trading. That might be interesting. Mike Pisani. Isn't he on CNBC, Mike Pisani? 1230, how the top 1% trade options and why Greeks don't matter. And why Greeks don't matter. Oh, Bob Pisani, bro. Gotcha. Maybe his son. While working at the top investment banks and top hedge funds, I spent my whole Wall Street career advising, trading against, and dealing with the top 1% of investors. I know how they think. Good. What they look for. Well, they were all wrong recently, dude. So, they weren't long TVIX and short the SPY. I was. You're not asking me. I think I'm in my room, and me, Allen, and the team are in the top 1% of investors. There's no question. Of traders that are right. In top 1% of what? Investors that have the most money? They ain't the smartest. They're the stupidest. I left Wall Street with a mission to change the conversation from Black-Scholes formula The Greeks and implied volatility to more relevant concepts like risk reward. That's what I do. Probabilities and odds. That's what I do. So if you're looking to trade options like the top 1%, you don't want to miss, he might be good. Felix. He better be able to communicate well. At 120, you have the volatile market strategies taking a stock's direction out of the equation. Well, I may not watch and agree with you, Ryan, because two things I learned when I first started that made me 80% accurate are two things. I used to have a sticky in front of my desk. The first thing is the trend is your friend. And stocks in motion stay in motion. So the stock's direction is very important. Breaking down breakouts at 130, breakouts are so cool. You're going to break them down, Gianni Di Passi Pochi. Love it. He's a breakout strategist at Benzinga. Then you've got Mojo. Winning systems in any market. Discover Pro Trader Mike's. It should say systems. They have a mistake. Dude, why can't they copy my stuff correctly? You know how many times I've had to correct them? First, it said Michael Rich. Then it said CEO. And I had to say, dude, I'm not the CEO because it's just me. It's just me. So I'm the founder. And Mojo was supposed to be capitalized. So they freaked up my name, they freaked up the title, and they messed up my thing. And then they messed up the thing. It's supposed to be Discover Mike's winning systems he uses for options trading. Selling puts and covered calls was removed. It's supposed to say the triple threat system. This swing trade is supposed to be the Ken Slim capital S. It's all messed up. I have to tell him to correct it again. But that's okay. That's just little stuff. And then right down here, I'm right there, baby. Pro Trader Mike, founder of the MOJO. This is my first one, guys. Like Ross has done this millions of times. So has him. And this is my first shindig, man. Saturday at 2 o'clock. Am I nervous? Nah, I can't wait to go play in that tournament, bro. And show everyone how the MOJO hits the freaking ball. I've been on the range and playing my own tournaments for years. Wait till I get out on that course now. Now they're going to know who the MOJO is. Better ask somebody. Better ask somebody. Get the Doyle Brunson. Fly up to Myrtle. Maybe I will, Mr. Dennison. Nah, my wife won't let me. Dude, so I couldn't get no tea times. Sucks, huh? Make some more phone calls after. See what the news is today, shall we? Stock market news. Psycho Bunny. Okay, I get enough of you, honey. Stocks rose Tuesday as investors considered signs. Oh, I think that's it. Yeah, it's my Corona. Let's see here. Maybe up a little bit. I move it to the right so I could. Stocks rose Tuesday as investors considered signs in states when the beginning plan for reopening parts of the economy embraced for a choppy earnings season as the Corona pandemic swept the country. Stock market rebound and crash among the coronavirus. It's a nice chart right there. I have a weed and virus folder. I save all those in there. I do everything really fast on the computer. Couples call off weddings amid virus, losing time and money. Yeah, dude. Dude, now would be a bad time to get sick and have to go to the hospital and stuff. Holy shit. Come May 2nd, the day after their 160-person wedding celebration in Cleveland, Courtney and her fiance Matt are supposed to be on a Norwegian cruise sailing the Mediterranean. You freaking be dying, dude. Forget that noise. It's my wife's birthday, man, coming up. Can't go doing out no celebrating. Dude, you know who I miss? You know who we got to give a shout out to? I got it on my Facebook. My mom's, dude. This is the longest I've gone without seeing my mom's in my life. My other people, because they live in other states, but me, I've always been around my mom, dude. Always. Let's go to, I think they have, ooh, that's a nice watch list I got right there. Was that today's watch list? Damn, Mojo. Hot stocks, click the heart, right? Ooh, click on that heart. Ooh, click on that. Ooh, click on that heart, Moj. Damn, can't have my mom see that. Let's see here. Where would it be? It's under Michael. This is my timeline. Where do I see? I don't know. It comes up on my phone. I always see my mom's at her place. I can only see her on the phone, in pictures and stuff. I miss my mom's, dude. How about a tweet out there? Everyone who misses their moms. How about a like, retweet? Everyone misses seeing their moms. During this coronavirus quarantine. Hashtag Mojo. All right, guys. You know what I'm saying right there? Oops, that didn't work. Did it again, son of a gun. Look at that. How about a like and a retweet for everyone that misses seeing their mom during this quarantine? Dude, 54.1 thousand followers for Mojo. Got the power, baby. Got the boot camp going. Click that link, dudes. Right here. Boot camp, the BZ for the Moj. I'll post it again on the Tubi. Here you go, Tubies. You go in the room, make sure you freaking... Is that the Mojo? Yeah, that's me, right? Yeah, that's the one from my Twitter. That's the one with that link. Absolutely. Appreciate it, dude. What do you guys got going on out there? You're gonna go on the course later, dude? Back from college because of the virus? You don't have membership at home? How long does it take for someone new to the stock game to improve their craft? Oh, just like anything. Look at Joyce. Depends. The same person could win and the same person could lose on the stock, depending upon how you execute and what you do, how much energy and effort you put into your game. Some people take the test and they fail and don't understand it and do bad. Some people take the final exam in Mojo and take it and do good and make money every single day. Some people don't because they get off the reservation. Here's a guy that knows his craft. That's a master, one of the best in the world. Why? Because he started when he was just younger, doing it. When you do something the same every single day, if you do it for 5 years, you become a national expert. Like this guy right here. His name is J.B. O'Neill, one of the best wakeboarders in the world today. Right here, him and Brady, his buddy. Brady's awesome.
I'm Brady Patry. I've been writing for 10 years and I've been writing for Hyperlight for 4.
That's some cool stuff right there. So I just want to say congratulations and thank all the traders in my room for being part of the team. And within the first 5 minutes this morning, we were able to make a lot of money and hit most of the goals. And then the zone came and we did it again. Allen 978 again today. Slate 200, Kiwi 170, Bama 1019, Mar 571. Do this every day. Suarez, I made $13.99 within 5 minutes. So this was my first show me the money right here. Store that, done. And then Paul 1800, Rocky. Another set of great trades. Right here, Rocky 70, Mike D and Mitchell 219 and 230 and Tugga 2150. Bloom, I bet, had a great day too, 1,135.
Super sweet.
Paul, great job. Zone is open. AKI, perfect rail grind into a chairlift, 94.4 STO. Amazing on this stock right here. Look at that move, dudes. Stock went from 70 cents to 244 without stopping. All beautiful green. It's amazing when that happens, right? Then we increased profits down here. I had a $13,000 on paper loss and it went to a $10,000 gain on the stock AKI right here. Been a beast on that stock today. It made my hands sweat. And they're traded 29 million shares. That's a lot. Yeah, that's cool, Batman. Mikey Jordan. Yeah, it's a fast mother effer. Absolutely. Great presentation. Yeah, that was my presentation for Benzinga. I let a couple people watch it. Nice. Sodman just started. He's brand new. Oh, nice, Sodman. Nice. This is very nice what you have to say. Thank you. I appreciate that, dude. 2 days in a row. He just started. I'll save that. Send it in my newsletter. Appreciate that, bud. 2 days in a row, mind-blowing me away, dude. I know you see it every day, but yesterday and today, Pro Trader Mike was a machine gun, dude. Woo, dude. Thank you, buddy. Oh, dude. You know what I like with the machine gun, right? That's funny. Where is that thing? Deleted? Yeah. Wow. I deleted this one thing. I want it back. Here it is. Right here. Found it, mama. Ready? That's what I do. Nice, dude. I am a machine gun. Thanks. Hits it, enters orders, then sets the cells in and out. What a master. It's just awesome to watch him work and all that action in less than 15 minutes. Thanks, buddy. And then we hit lunch. And that's it. Neurometrics back down here. Had it for a little while. Then we did a trade right here. Neuroheinz 5. And that's the end of the beans, buddy. So that was absolutely great. Yesterday, everyone did great, amazing yesterday on the works. Today it was on the Zone and the other ones, guys. Let's see my watch list for today. That's a nice watch list. And then another watch list right here. Let's see what went up today, guys. For the people following me on my website, MOJODayTrading.com, you got Zone at $9. You made a high scalp of $7 on it today. The daily high, it went to 16. I put it out there at 9 o'clock for you. Look at you. Come on, end the ad. Are you kidding me? MBRX at $1.35. It only went up 6 cents today after that. Oh, this one I messed up. NBEV at $1.45 went to $1.88 today. Is at $1.60. And the last one is MFA at $1.90. Is $1.79. Went as high as $95. Couple up, couple down. Zone obviously was the really big winner. Got a blog article right there called CFDs. What's a CFD? And I'm doing it now. What's an SD-WAN? You need to know. Clearinghouses, great information. Funeral stocks for the pandemic. Full lockdown. Great articles by the Moj. Learn what the Ken Slim is, guys, right here. There's a great article right there on the Ken Slim. Right here, learning all about the Ken Slim, guys. Watch that Mojo show. And got it all right there for you. Absolutely. Gonna go over the swing trades. Yo, Fly, every time I pull up my Google Drive, when I share someone, this guy gets stuck in there. The last time, but I added him, but every time it does, it pops up. I don't know how to get rid of that. I don't know what's going. Maybe you can find out for me. The Dow right now is up 539 points to 23,930. It looks like it's going to Heinz 24,000. The daily high today was 24,040. It did Heinz. Could have played the futures options with that. The next is the S&P at 2844. Almost did a mini Heinz at 2850. And you have some great stocks down here. A little bit bigger. All right, so we got Crony Baloney. I'm in Groupon for much bigger than that spike, Mr. Dennison. Much bigger than I'm in it for much bigger than that spike. So we got Kronos Group at 525 with the $7 covered calls, looking to expire and make 8.57%. The cost on Kron will go under $3. Love it, up 100% on that one. Canopy Growth at 1380 is 15. We got the $15 covered call for $1.50. Gives us a $16.50 sale price, and it's at $15.28. So plenty of time to go. And on that one right there, we sold it for $1.50. It's $1.60. So if we wanted to buy it back and roll the strike price to a 17, instead of losing the stock at 15, we could do that now, but I'm going to wait a little bit. It may not be a bad roll right now to buy it back, roll up the same month in the strike price right here on that CGC. Options right here. Got those May 15s. Right here, the calls. The 15s are $1.50 right now. And then you can go 1750s for 65 cents. And raise $2.50 on the strike. You know what I'm saying? That may not be a bad play, and lose 10 cents there and have a 50-cent 750 option. This is the 17.5 call. I'm gonna do that. So right here, check this baby out. This is called a roll. I don't want to lose this. I think it's going to go higher. And if it goes higher, I'm going to have to pay back more for the option. So I'm going to lose 10 cents on that option. Maybe I could break even and put it in right at $1.50 and break even. Let's see. The bid. Yeah, I can get it. It's bid's 132. The ask is 157. So I'll break even on that. I'm going to break in and redo this one right here, which is up 28%. Exactly what I'm doing. So this is going to be a break even. On CGC, $15 call right here on 3.5. I'm rolling the option. So this is the CGC, just like I did with the crony. I'm gonna buy it back for $1.50, and I sold it for $1.50, so it'll be a 0. And this is on 4/14, so I held it for 40 days. But now I'm gonna go 4/14 right here. I'm gonna change this to a CGC 1750 strike, covered call, expires 5. What was it? 5/1. Expires 5/15. And that right there is what? 59 by 65. I can get 60 easy. It was as high as 70. I'll go 60, no problem. Take the 60. So you got 60 cents. And you got 60 cents into a price of a stock that you own at $13.80. So I'm bringing in 60 cents divided by $13.80 is 4.34%. I'll take it. And I'm raising my strike by 2 points. So I get an extra 2 points from $13.80. I can only get it called away at $17.50 right now. What was that again? 0.6 divided by 1358, 4.34 it was? Yeah, it was 4.34. A Zynga $7 covered call is 733. Let's see what this one is worth. This one's 62 cents. Same thing, it's working. And we sold it for 45. It expires on the 8th of May. Also, we can roll it. We've had it since March 9th. Had Glue Mobile above 6, is now 7, dude. It's up 11%. Holy crap. I don't want to lose Glue. Let's see what this one's at right here. $1.30. Sold it for 60. Have to take a 70-cent loss. But if I roll up the strike from 6 to 7, look. Options, you know, not that easy, but it's easy. And go out to May 15th and go up to the next strike price. So this is the 6 that I sold for 60. Now, the 6 I sold for 60 is $1.30, but that's not bad. And the other ones are 80. See that? So this one I buy back for $1.30, and I sell the other one right here, the 7, for 80, which is up 90%. So this is going to be the $7 strike now. Done. Got to do it. These are great companies. I don't want to lose them. I can forego the insurance if it keeps on going higher, no question. So this Glue right here that I'm buying back from 60 cents, taking a loss at taking a loss and buying it back at $1.30. Spread is one. Yep, taking it back at $1.30. So Glue, I sold it at 60. And I'm doing it as a 70-cent loss. So you got a 70 center into a price of a stock that is $6.25. Is an 11.2% loss. That's a loss of 11.2% right there. So now I got to go up to blue and raise that strike price and go out a little further than 515. So glue right here. I got to go GLUU $7 strike price now. I got to go up to 5. It was on the 15th. We'll do the same one. Covered call, same date. I think this one was 80 cents. Take it. 80. So you got 80 cents into a 625 stock. 80 divided by 6.25 is 12.8%. Take it. So 12.8 offsets the loss of 11.2. So 12.8 minus 11.2 is $1.60 that I'm ahead on the option. Just make sure of that again. So 80, I lost here 70, so I'm making 10 cents on the option overall. 10 divided by, what was it? I own it at 6.25. So the option will only make me 1.6%, not 12%, but I raised my strike price by a point. So now I have a $7 strike, and I own it at 6.25. So I don't have to sell my shares at 6. Federal Signal is the same. I'm going to keep that $1.50 right there. American Airlines, I'm up on. I'm down 18, but I'm up 20 on the options. Clorox at 165 is 193, up 17%. I got the 195 strike at $4. So this one I don't want to lose either, but it looks like it's going to go through 200. Service Master is even now. Nice, dude. Look, it turned green. I'm only down on one pick in the swing portfolio, and that's American Airlines. Tilray's up huge. I have the $6 covered call expiring in 2 weeks. I did it for $3.50. You have to buy that thing up. Tilray owned it like nothing. And GE has the $7.50 covered call for 50 cents, looking real good. All right, let's look below. Yes. Look below here and see what we're up. Yes, they're moving. Some of my new swing picks. Sino Global Shipping, still the same. This is from Sunday's newsletter. Kelso Technologies at 51 is 49, down 3.92%. Still buying them. It went to 54. Westport Fuel Systems at 80 is 92, up 15%. Freight Car America Rail at $1.10 is $1.16. Daeski at $1.35 is $1.38. YRCW at 155 is 76. Commercial Vehicle Group is red. USX Enterprises is red, and USA Trucking. I think the trucking industry is going to do well because that's not going to slow down. Everyone's got to have their stuff delivered. And I'm thinking the big way. Logistics, transportation, all those kind of companies right there. So we got Zion Oil and Gas down today, 9%. Great. NXTD's moving a little bit. Office Depot's 180 now. WTRH at 115 now, up 21%. My Size at 18. Went up huge today to 275. We got taken on that. My Size, guys. MYS went today to $2.50 at High. Opened at 255, went to 275. We're out. 255. My size. Made a point on my size, dude. Wow. What a great pick. The first one got sold at 205. The next one at 255. That right there is a 64% gain. Beautiful. That's my size. That was a great pick. Ramble On is up 40%. Getting sold at over 30. So we're going to put a trail stop in at 25. We're going to put a trail stop in on WTRH at 110. We're going to put a trail stop in on Office Depot at 170. Zion at 18 cents. My Little Pony and NXTD. So Groupon right here, 80 cents is at 87, made a move to 92 today. AKRX at 20 cents is down. ADMP up 8%. NBRV up 5%. Nanoviscerides up 4%. Bitcoin's down. Sino. Westport Fuel hasn't made its move. All right, guys, great job today. We have, whoops, 38 to 59. 59 minus 38 is 21. Red 1, 2, 5, 8, 13 wins. Average gain 5%. Up here we have 14 and 34 is 20. Wins 19. Average gain on the covered call portfolio is 8.33%. And we've closed out 134 and 65. 69. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9 losers. 60 wins. 87%. Average 17.32. Average hold 12 days. Not too bad. Swing newsletter needs to be results oriented, and this one's very damn organized, dude. Been doing the same thing for a long time with this pattern. These are all Ken Slim stocks. They've all been working super fantastic, amazing for a long, long, long time. iBio shooting up. Nice. Jameis. Everyone's talking about the moms. They like my mom post, see? Oh, everyone's talking about love my moms. Nice. So you had your introduction to CFDs, guys. Nice job trading the big ones. iBio making a spike. Yeah, at 91 will go to $1. You guys could trade that into $1. Not the swings, because you need to buy 100,000 shares. I mean, not the demos, but guys with big size could be doing that for sure. You can nail that.
Has been nailed.
Absolutely. What else is going on? Oh, what else is going on? It's 3:14. Another day in paradise. Pro Trader Mike equals the character based on Bobby Axelrod. Who's that? I buy $10 of mine and forget it for a year. That's stupid. I'm trying to get the owner to tell public. I have no idea. Slingshot life. That's a hope and a prayer, dude. You know what compounding interest is? Compounding gains. I'll show you something. I was looking for this thing I saw, but I can't find it no more. Where do I trade iBuyer? Oh, we're trading it in the MOJO Day Trade room. Right here, it's 94 now. 90 foot's going to $1. That's a nice banner I found. Look at that. MOJO Day Trading. Did you know that? We voted the #1 online educational course. Day trading, period. Isn't that cool? And then I had this. This was a poll that was done in MOJO University. Right here. It says MOJO University day trading portion of the course is over. What have you learned what you paid for? And the first response is, that's not what I paid for. Second response is, you got what you paid for. The third response is, it's worth 10 times what I paid. And the last response is, it's kind of priceless, if you ask me. And 26% of the people that paid $2,000 said it was priceless. 4% said it was worth 10 times what they paid. No one said it wasn't worth what they paid. It was an anonymous poll of 30 results that was shared on July 29th of 2016. But thousands of people, folks, how to day trade for a living. I could teach you too. Just join my action right there. It's gonna go through $1, guys. It's gonna make a lot of money. 94. Nice job. Probably dip and then go back up and down a little bit first, because it's 319. With all that said, guys, I'm pretty much tired and done for the day. Gonna go jump in my car right there. I don't know if I want to jump in that. Should I get in that one? I think I'm gonna jump in the 911 GT2. I'm gonna head out right now. So guys, on my next show, I'll probably be live in the morning. You'll definitely want to tune in, because we're gonna have the third day in a row that MOJO has the hottest stock in the market. So if you subscribe, you'll be notified. I buy on 95, guys. $96. Skittles all over the place.